Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on the Shipt driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to manage your notifications for every time you receive an order or you're setting directions. How do you actually go ahead and manage your notifications on the Shipt driver app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Shipt driver app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner again. Then, scroll towards the bottom and click on Preferences. Next, click on Push Notifications. And then this is when you can set the notifications. So you can actually go ahead and have a notification sound, and you could also have notification preferences for when there's bonuses. Additionally, if you go into the settings notifications of your Shipt driver app and click on the app, you can also adjust the notifications here by turning off the allow notifications button. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage your notifications on the Shipt driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.